In this video, we're going to take a look at this dirty, disgusting shop chair that everyone uses to sit on during break and see if the Bissel Spotclean Pro with these simple things here can bring it back to life. Stay tuned. I will put links in the description to everything used in this video, so you can go check those out after. And also, most of the detailing stuff I buy from carzilla.ca. If you want to go buy anything from there as well, you can use my discount code CARDETAILING5. That'll save you an extra 5% off. Now, to start here, I'm just dousing the chair with Meguiar's Super Degreaser, followed by really good agitation with a somewhat stiff bristled brush on my drill. Again, also from carzilla.ca. Here I'm just going to use the Mother's carpet brush with a little bit of Super Degreaser to clean up any areas where I felt I couldn't effectively hit with the drill brush. And this brush does have fairly stiff bristles, but this chair is beat up and old. If you're going to do this, make sure you adjust as you go. Make sure you know what kind of fabric and how delicate it is before you just start brushing on it. Remember, always least aggressive method first. Now for the extraction part, I only have clean water in the extractor itself. That's usually what I do. I use the extractor to pull out the grease and the dirt that we just broke down, as well as all the cleaner that you've used. That, to me, is what the extractor is actually for. I don't usually use any solution in the tank itself. And also, I should note that I apologize for the angles and also the weird coloring of this part. I'm using my GoPro and I didn't realize that I had it in the flat setting, and I'm not really a good enough editor to be able to color grade properly, so I kind of ruined the footage here, and I did not realize that the angle was like this bad. The only reason I was using this thing was I forgot my tripod, so I'm like, got no choice now, so point of view it is. Don't worry, the next one will be better. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is our shop chair, so guys with greasy coveralls are sitting on it all the time. So this thing is doing an impressive job so far, in my opinion. Not only is this chair greasy, but it's also at least 12 years old. That's how long I've been working here and how long I've been looking at it. So it is doing a fairly impressive job, and that's part of the reason I'm such a believer in the Bissel Spotclean Professional. It has its limitations, but when it comes to the right process, the right tools and techniques, this little extractor is definitely by far, pound for pound and dollar for dollar, one of the best extractors available, in my opinion. I decided to repeat the steps and hit it one more time with the super degreaser and the drill brush just to see for good measure if there's anything else we can get out of this chair. But as you can see already, there's a night and day difference between what it looked like before and what it looks like now. And you'll be able to see that when I pour out the dirty tank, how dirty the water actually is. It's going to finish off by giving the plastic pieces like the arms and the backing of the chair a quick wipe down with some super degreaser on a shop rag. Nothing crazy, I'm not detailing this part, just going to wipe it down quickly. Alright, so here are the final results. I think the Bissel did a phenomenal job. So with the right tools and techniques, you can do a wicked job yourself as well. If you like this video, you want to check out this one next where I unbox that thing, comment below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Just as a quick reminder, here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like after. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.